Ladies and gentlemen, oh crap. Oh no!
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm gonna be doing is something very unhealthy. And that is gonna be fried chicken. Some fried chicken and chips. Although the chips I'm not going to fry, but the chicken, yeah, it's not going to be a healthy one, so enjoy either way. But before we go any further, I need you guys to smash the subscribe button. Once that's done, hop over to Instagram, follow me there as well, and now we may begin the show. Right, ladies and gentlemen, before anything, I am going to turn on the oven, about 170. There's some chips in there, gonna go in the oven, okay? That's out of the way. Now, our chicken breast. What you wanna do is check, I should have sharpened the knife anyway. Check that there's no bones or excessive bits that you don't want to be eating. Just take it off, right? So what you wanna do is start to cut into it. You just want to get into it, not all the way. Make some slices. Just make sure you don't cut through. Okay. Yeah, we're good. So get that going. Give like 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters gap between each slice that you do. Okay. Here is the messy part. Okay. What you want to do? Crack an egg. Okay. That's number 1. And that's number 2. Okay. Get that. Give it a whisk. Look at that. Lovely jubbly. Good stuff. Leave that there. You want to get yourself some flour. Okay. I'm not a big fan of this stuff. It's going to be messy, but there you go. I'll just leave it as that and then top up if we need some. Now in this one, I can open it. You got some breadcrumbs. Again, we'll top up as we go along if we need some. You got some paprika. You got some smoked paprika. That was, I think, just like salt and pepper paprika, but I'm still gonna add some salt and pepper on this anyway. Put some salt and pepper in there. Okay. Get some of that going on, mate. You know what I mean, son? You know what I mean? Right. And now, here's the messy part. Let's see. Stick it in. Okay, wiggle it about, make it upside down, and then wiggle it about some more. Make sure you get the egg going into the cuts that you did, right? Get it all nice and eggy. You know what? You might need some more flour. So, top up the flour, okay? This stuff just flies everywhere. Not a big fan. Right, do you know what? This is what I was looking for. Right, you got that. Okay. There's that. Oh, I forgot to mix this. There you go. Oh, that was difficult, wasn't it? Give that a little mix. Wiggle it about. Wiggle it about, mate. You know what I mean? Look, it's all just disappeared. Okay, now. You want to pick up this bad boy. Stick it on there. Right? Flip it around. Try and get it in between the cuts. Lovely. Jubbly. Right? Get flour in there. Let it soak it all up. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, pat it down. It's cool to make this type of food, but when it comes to all touchy, I'm not a big fan, mate. Don't like touching food like that. You know what I mean, son? You know what I mean? Yeah? Tell you what, I should really be doing. But anyway, it's a bit lit for that. So stick it back in there. Give it a little wiggle. Yeah? One more dip. One more dip. And then into there it goes. Okay? Look at that. Yeah. Need a spoon, mate. Need to get yourself some spoon. Just do it. I mean, you can do it with your hands, but I'm not one of them. I don't really like to be, as I said already in numerous videos, I don't like to be touchy on my food. So that's why. That's that. And what you can do, grab it, flip it over, make sure this side is also covered. Once that's done, we're going to put it into another plate, have it ready on deck to go into the, oh no, that bit didn't look so well. Right, put this to the side, and then get some oil. I'm going to put too much, that'll do, right? I'm going to put the lid on, let that heat up. You guys ready? Place this in there. Let that do its thing. Give it a couple of minutes. I'm just going to clear up and I'll be back shortly. Okay. Oh no, I was about to lift it as well. That sounds dangerous. Okay. Oh no, it's coming off. flip it over, put the lid back on. It saves you from having a smelly house, a little bit anyway, and it just keeps it all in there. Let it do its thing. We're gonna flip it over again with the second one, and I'll be back shortly. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and use a fork this time. Okay. What you wanna do? Just, yeah. Peel it off. Oh no! Oh, yeah. Okay. And then get this bad boy. Here. Pour it in. Pour it in. I don't know what I'm saying. That's it. Let that do its thing again. Right. Turn that off. I reckon I left this one a bit too long, to be honest. I think this one got extra crispy. So there you go. So you got one that is like medium well done, and you got one that's like very well done. So you pick and choose what level of how cooked you want your chicken, basically. So yeah, that's that. Let me just get this out of the way. Right, okay, and now let me get our chips out. So here's what you want to do. Let me bring this bad boy here. Okay, I'm gonna use this one simply because it just looks a lot more nicer. Okay, place that there. That's that. Get your chips. Ooh, that's hot. Look at that, beautiful. Get yourself a portion and stick it in there. Yeah, just add the butchers of that. Yeah. This is like on a late Friday night, if you come home from work, you ain't getting out, and then you just, you know, you got nothing at home, or you don't want to get a takeaway or whatever. This is what you do. Bish bash bosh, if you like to call it. There's that. Okay. Just to top it off with a pinch of smoked paprika, just a little pinch to give it that extra nice colour. Also, you got the two sauces that go with it, ketchup and mayo. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Oh crap. Oh no! That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is your fried chicken and rice. Chicken and rice, what am I saying? This is your fried chicken, guys. Fried chicken. Bon appetit. Share, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you with the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up